Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Networks Lab tutorial. So in this video we will see a router. Okay, so router connecting two different LANs. Okay, so just all of you open Cisco Packet Tracer. So already you know router is a networking device that connects two different networks together. Okay, so it is mainly at the network layer, that is layer 3 of the OSI model. It works mainly at the network layer, right? So now we will see how to connect two different local area networks with the router. Okay, so first go to end devices. So take three end devices. Okay, I am connecting. So you may connect three or four, any number of end devices. Okay, and next to form a local area network, I am using one switch here. Okay, so just connect with the help of a wire. Okay, so I'm taking automatic connection. So this place this wire. Oh, sorry. So here I need to take a switch. So that's why here it is a crossover cable. Huh? Right? Just delete this. Sorry. Okay, I need to establish a local area network with a centralized device, that is a switch. Okay, so take this switch. Okay, and connect this three PCs to the switch to form a local area network. Okay, so I'm connecting this switch to the PCs. Okay, all the end devices are connected to switch. Now this forms a local area network 1. So I will write here local area network 1. Okay, it is located in somewhere. Okay, next one. Okay, so next so take another three end devices. Okay, it forms another local area network. It forms another local area network. So just take with the help of switch, connect all these end devices. Okay, so here I am connecting uh, through this wire to the switch. Okay, so connect PC5 to switch, and next establish connection between PC6 and switch. Okay, so now this is a local area network 2. Okay, LAN LAN 2, second local area network, right? So up to this is a simple LAN. Okay, this is another LAN. Next we need to connect these two LANs in order to communicate with each other. Okay, so to communicate two different local area networks. Okay, so we are using a device that is called as a router. Okay, so router is a networking device that connects multiple networks together and forwards the data packets between two local area networks. Okay, so it decides the best path for the data to travel from source to destination. Okay, so go to network devices. Here first one is the router. So I am selecting anyone you can select. I am selecting 2901 router. Okay, 2901 router. Okay, so upon clicking this router, go to configuration. Okay, so here we can connect two devices. Okay, two local area networks to this router. Okay, two local area networks, right? So take the connection, that is a wire. Go to this wire, automatically it selects the required cable. Okay, the connection is established between this local area network to router through switch. Okay, switch to router, and the same thing from this router to from this router to switch. Okay, so connection is established. Okay, so now we need to give IP address. If I am giving any data from the source on this local area network and destination of this local area network, this is the destination. So I want to send some data. So is it transfer from through with the help of router to this PC6? No, because the end devices are not given any IP address. Just now provide a IP address to the all the end devices here. Okay, so router connects different networks, whether local area network to local area network or local area network to wide area network like the internet. Okay, but switch or hub connects devices within the same network only. Okay, switch is connected, this forms one local area network. Here also switch is connected, this forms one local area network. Okay, so switch hub connects devices within the same network. Okay, so next, provide IP address to all the devices. Go to desktop IP configuration. Okay, so just give. I am using class A address, that is 10 dot. Uh, any address you can take, right? Uh, 1 dot 2 dot 1. Okay, so upon clicking, subnet mask is defined. Okay, just close this. Okay, so for easy remembrance, I'm making note 10 dot 1 dot 2 dot 1. This is a class A address. It is having 4 octets. Okay, so first octet is the network address, remaining 3 octets are the host address. So first octet in a network, to form a local area network, the network ID must be, network address must be same for all the PCs, and remaining 3 are the host address. Okay, the 3 octets, it is ranging from 0 to 255. Any number you can give. Okay, so next I am giving IP address to PC1, that is 10 dot, that is same. Okay, next 2 dot 3 dot 1. Okay, right. So next I am making a note here 10 dot 2 dot 3 dot 1. Okay, so next, right. So third PC also, PC2 also I am providing IP address just 10 dot 3 dot 2 dot 1. Okay, 255.0.0.0. Okay, that is the subnet mask, by default subnet mask. Okay, so now check this 10 dot 3 dot 2 dot 1, 10 dot 3 dot 2 dot 1. Okay, just escape. Okay, so here just to see this, you can drag this, right. Okay, and just see here, whenever you are seeing the IP address 10.3.2.1 /8, /8 is the notation of subnet mask. So in class A address, that is a subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. So how many ones are present in subnet mask? 8. That's why the notation is /8. Please remember that. Next, I am assigning switch to, local area network 2 also I am assigning IP addresses. Okay, so I will use the class C address. Okay, so 198.168, okay, 165.12.1. Okay, so in class C, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, so the first 3 octets must be constant, that is a network address, and last is the host address. Okay, so if I am using for this network 198.165.12 means in that network all the nodes all the end devices having first 3 octets as the same, and the last is the host. We can change up to 0 to 255. Okay, so 198 165 198 165.12.1. Okay, next also for this I am giving 198 165, it is same. Next to 12 also same. So you may consider anything. I am considering here 5. So here also 198 165 and 12.8 I am considering. Okay, so same thing, give IP address. Just click on the system, go to desktop, IP 198.165.12 is common for all the connected devices in local area network 2. So this is the last address, is the host address, that is 5. So here the last octet is 8. Okay, 198 165 12.8. Okay, so the subnet mask is, by default subnet mask is 255.255.255. Okay, in slash notation, so it will be slash 24 because 3 octets consisting of all ones, 8 ones here, 8 ones here, 8 ones here, means 24. Okay, just see here. Okay, so slash notation 198.165.12.8 slash 24. Okay, that is the by default subnet mask. So now the IP addresses of local area network 1 and local area network 2 is defined. Okay, now we need to give them gateway address. So what do you mean by this gateway address or default gateway? Okay, so gateway address or default gateway is nothing but it is the IP address of the router interface. Okay, so that connects your local networks, local area networks to the other networks. Okay, so including internet. Okay, suppose so click on this router. So just go to configuration. Here we will get a gigabit ethernet 0 bar 0 and gigabit ethernet 0 bar 1. So this router can connect to 2 different local area networks. Okay, or 2 different wide area networks. Okay, so 2 different networks we can connect through this 2901 router. Okay, so in other words, in simple words, so the gateway is nothing but if a device wants to communicate outside its own network, so it sends the data to the gateway. So the gateway means a router that forwards the packet to the correct destination network. Okay, so in that we need to provide the IP address of the router interface. Okay, it is the interface between the two local area network. Okay, so just go to configuration. In that first choose, these are the two gigabit ethernet 0 bar 0, it is for local area network 1. So I am giving by default gateway as this local area network range. So what is the range here? 10 is the network address, remaining are host. Okay, so the host may be anything you can give other than this. Okay, so 10 dot so I am giving 3.2.6. Okay, just remember I am giving 10.3.2.6. Just copy this gateway address. Okay, and port status, just please click on this checkbox on. Okay, then only whenever we are forwarding or whenever we are sending the information, it forwards the data packets with the help of this IP address to the destination. Okay, port status is on. Just close here, and here see, previously it is in red color, now it is in green color, means the router having the now gateway address to this local area network. Okay, and that by default gateway address is given to all the PCs. Here default gateway it is mentioned. Okay, so just that by default gateway is copy here. Okay, so when you are mentioning in router, that gateway of LAN 1 is just copy to all the connected PCs. Okay, the default gateway is 10.3.2.6. Just close it. And the next PC also, just the same thing. Assign the default gateway. Okay, next close this. And the next, so here also third PC also, just give the default gateway. Okay, close. Next, okay, so for local area network 2, okay, just click on this router, go to configuration, gigabit ethernet 0 bar 1. Okay, so here mention that IP address. Okay, mention that IP address of this range. So what is the local area network to range 198.165.12. So anything you can give, that is I am giving 9. Okay, just copy this gateway address in order to give all the connected devices of local area network 2. Okay, just port status on. Okay, just click mark, tick mark. Okay, just port status, please check port status, otherwise the data packet won't transfer from source to destination. Just close it and click on the first IP of local area network 2 and assign this by default gateway. Okay, by default gateway is this one. Okay, and same thing to other PCs also. Just copy the same gateway address of local area network 2. Okay, and third system also, just copy this. Okay, copy this. Next. Okay, now so it is see perfectly connected here. Now we will check whether if I am providing or giving any message from PC 0 to of local area network 1, it is transferred with the help of router to local area network to the PC6. Okay, first to use ping command whether this network is connected with the local area network 2 or not. So first to check in this local area network 1 all the devices are connected or not. So go to command prompt, use ping command, whether the connection is established between the nodes or not. Ping, I am checking this local area network. Later I will check other local area network. Okay, so ping of 10.3.2.1. So first system PC0 is connected to PC2 or not, I am checking. Just ping 10.3.2.1, enter. So we are able to get the replies. Okay, so first system is connected to third. Next ping 10.2.3.1. Okay, second system is connected or not, we are checking. We are able to get the replies. Now just check the ping of 190 other local area network LAN 2 address 195.12.5. Okay, in LAN 2 second system is connected or not, we will check. Okay, so LAN 1 first system is sorry LAN 1 first system is connected to LAN 2 second system, we are checking. Okay, so just see here, if we are able to get the replies means okay we are getting replies. So first time it has to read, right? So that's why requested timed out it came. Now again you check ping of same address 198.165.12.5. okay, then we are able to get the replies. So 4 packets sent, 4 packets received, loss 0. So in the same manner you can check all the devices. Okay, so now we know the connection is established between local area network 1 to local area network 2 with the help of router. Okay, so uh, uh, what is the, you may ask what is the importance of this gateway. So here without gateway the device can only talk to their own LAN. Okay, if gateway is not there means this device can talk to their own LAN, this LAN, within this LAN only. Okay, so with the gateway we can talk to the other networks and internet. Okay, so now go to simulation. Okay, just take a simple PDU. Okay, So this is my source. So I want to send my information to from PC0 of local area network 1 to PC6 of local area network 2. Okay. So just use this play button. Okay. First see from PC0 the information is or packet is going to switch. Next, from switch, the packet is moving to router. Okay. So from the router, it is moved to the local area network to switch. So switch to, so all the devices it went. First, it has to read the MAC address, right? PC6 wants that message, and PC6 acknowledgement giving back to the switch, and switch giving to the router, right? Right. So again you can check. Okay, so first time, now we will see whether it is successful or failed. Okay, it is came failed because first time it has to read the gateways and MAC addresses, IP addresses of the devices, because switch works based on the MAC address and router works on the IP address. Okay, so now again you verify. We will see whether the packet is transmitted to the destination, or we will check. Okay, so PC0 to switch, switch to router, router to switch. Okay, and switch to PC6. Okay, so there is no broadcast, see here. And next, PC6 sends the acknowledgement to switch. Okay, from switch to router, and same information passed to local area network 1 with the help of switch. It is reaching to the source, that is PC0. Okay, so upon completion we will get successful. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you.